Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. And today, guys, I am excited because I am going to be making the ultimate Baja fish tacos. Now, there are a lot of components to these fish tacos, so I'm going to just walk you through step by step in how to make them. So don't be intimidated, don't be nervous. You can do this. This just takes a little bit of time, but oh my goodness, are they worth it. So let me show you just how to make my Baja fish tacos. All right, guys, so since there's a lot of components to the fish tacos, I have found it easier to just prep all the garnishes, everything that goes in the fish taco first before you cook your fish. And that way, as soon as that fish is done, then you can just assemble your taco. Now, I have already made the mango salsa, and I have a video and just how I made this, so you can go check that out. But I'm also going to make a delicious sauce and shred some cabbage, and that's what I'm going to do first. All right, so I have some plain Greek yogurt here that I'm going to add to a bowl. Now, you can use sour cream if you want. All right, so then I have here a can of chipotles that's in adobo sauce. And what I want is to get some of that sauce and add it to my yogurt. And this is literally your preference, however spicy you want it. I like a little heat. So I'm just gonna add a couple teaspoons of the sauce, and I'm not getting the peppers, I'm just getting that sauce that's in with the peppers. So that is probably good for me. I'm going to add some lime juice, just about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of lime, or half of a lime. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a couple pinches, and a pinch of black pepper. And that's all there is to it. Just give it a stir, and that's my sauce. Simple. Simple and delicious. All right, so what I have here is a half of a head of a red cabbage. I'm gonna cut out the stem here, or the core. Now you can use regular cabbage if you want. You don't have to use the red. I just think that the red is so pretty. I'll go ahead and cut this in half again. Then I'm just going to shred this cabbage as finely as possible that I can do with my knife here. All right, so I'm going to add my cabbage to a bowl here. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And I'm also going to add the juice of a lime. And I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a mix. And that's all there is to the cabbage. All right, so all of my garnishes are prepped and ready, and now I'm going to work on my fish. Now I'm using mahi-mahi. It's a fresh mahi-mahi, but you could use cod. Any kind of white fish will work just fine. I'm going to make a batter for my fish, and then I'm going to fry my fish. All right, so I'm going to take my fillets here, and I'm going to cut them into sticks so we have nice fish sticks. So I'm going to cut them in half and then in half again. Give us nice fish sticks. These sticks will fit in our tacos nicely. So next I'm going to make my batter, and this is a beer batter. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and a half of a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Then my seasoning is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. And then I'm going to give 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir that together. I'm going to add 1 cup of beer. If you don't want to use beer, you can use Sprite. Actually, I'm going to do a little bit more. A little bit more. I'm actually going to give just a little bit more. There we go. All right, so I have a little station set up here, and I'm just going to drop my fish into my batter and then in some hot oil. And I have a large cast iron skillet with about 2 inches deep of canola oil, and that's what I'll be using to fry up my fish. Once it's golden brown, you take it out and move it to a cooling rack that I have put onto a sheet tray. All right, so I think I have everything ready now to assemble my Baja fish tacos. Now I am using flour tortillas. Corn tortillas are more traditional, so that is completely up to you. But let me show you how to assemble your fish taco. So I'm just gonna place a couple pieces of fish. Like so. And then a little bit of the cabbage. Also going to add an avocado. Mango salsa. Some of the sauce. Add some queso fresco. All right, it is the moment of truth. These, just look at this beautiful fish taco. I'm so excited. That is amazing. That is absolutely delicious. It just all goes together to make the ultimate Baja fish taco. So delicious, sweet, tangy, spicy. It's all in there. These are so delicious. I really do hope that you give these Baja fish tacos a try. I know that you won't be sorry. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.